Today we're going to be installing rock guards on my C8 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today we are going to be putting on front and rear XL rock guards on my C8 Corvette. So these are very simple to install. It literally only takes one 7mm socket here at the bottom, a screw, and we'll pull those out and we'll go pop these out, pop these right in. So sit back and relax and I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright guys, this is going to be another very simple installation. What we're going to be doing is there's a 7mm screw that's right underneath here that locks the rock guard in place. So we're going to go down here, we're going to take that out, and then we'll be able to pry these right loose, and we'll pop the new one on. Alright guys, you can see that screw's right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pull that out, just like that, and we're going to set our screw gun and our screw off to the side here, and then at that point we'll go ahead and we'll be able to pull this piece off. These have never been off before, so they're going to be on there really tight. So I've got a little pry tool, the nylon pry tool, and I'm just going to go up here and get in here and just kind of help myself. I'm not messing up my fingers. And you're just going to pry this loose. Okay? You can pry it all the way down, just like that. And once you get one of the clips to go, then it pretty much will ease it up for you. You can also try to pull down from the bottom, but these are on really tight from the factory. As you can see, just like that. But once you get them going here, then you're good to go. Like that. There we go. And we had one of the clips stay in there, so we can grab a pair of pliers or something and we can pull these little guys out. So if you have this happen, you just grab I use these dikes here that makes it easier for me to get them out. Just like that. Because they're in there. They're in there pretty good. You just want to make sure that you pull away from the paint so you're not taking the chance of scratching your paint. Okay, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll get our rock guard and we'll be able to put it in. So we've got our new rock guard here. We've got our two tabs right here. And we've got to make sure that they go into this tab, into this slot here, these two slots. We'll put these tabs in there like so. So we're just going to lock that in there like that. Make sure it stays in there. Okay. There we go, just like that. And then you're going to line up the four clips, the spring clips. Just make sure they're all set, and then just tap it in. Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put the screw back in at the bottom. And that's all there is to putting on a front rock guard. Now we'll move to the back. Okay, we're at the back of the car now, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this little rock guard off here. So again, this one has a 7mm screw right here. Now we're going to go and take that off. And guys, these are easy enough. I'm putting it on a lift so I can show you this, but you don't need a lift to be able to put these on. You can just lay down on the floor in your garage and put them on. Okay, I've got my pry tool here. I'm just going to get that wiggled down inside there like that. Okay, and we'll pry it out. There we go. Just like that. And there we go. All the clips came off with the old rock guard this time. That was good. So now I'm going to set this down. We've got our new one right here. Now this one only has one tab. So the one tab goes right here inside. You'll be able to see it. And so just make sure that you get that in there, and you line up the clips, the clip holes again, okay? And you'll see them. And just make sure you get them all quasi started, and then you can go ahead and you can push them in. When you go to do this on the back one, these clip holes, they're flexible in the car. So you kind of have to put a lot of pressure to get them to go. Okay, and once you get them going, then they'll all go. But if you can get your hand behind the clip, then you can get it. It's not that the clips are hard to get in there. It's literally that the plastic of the fender well, or the inner fender well, is actually moving. It's bowing in. So you just kind of have to put some pressure there, and they will go in. You just kind of have to wiggle them. Okay. I got the first one because I was able to get up in there. And there goes the second one. And there goes the third one. And there you go, like that. So be aware that that is going to probably happen. I should have told you ahead of time, but there you go. Okay. So now when you're done with that, you're going to take your 7mm screw back again here. Okay, just like that. Push it in. Alright, so that's all there is to it. So guys, you saw how simple it was to install these. It takes a little bit of work, but nothing hard, and they just look really good. So when it comes time that you need some rock guards for your car, be sure and reach out to extremeonlinestore.com, and they will be able to help you. So, and be sure, if you talk to them, be sure and tell them that Scott sent you there, okay? So guys, I just want to thank you guys all for watching today. It is so fun being able to do this type of work and be able to show you guys how to do stuff. And I just want to thank all of you that have been subscribing to the channel. Guys, thank you so much. Those of you that have not subscribed, maybe it's your first time watching, maybe you've been watching a long time, you just didn't want to hit the subscribe button for whatever reason. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be alerted when we do a video. And I would just really appreciate it. It helps our numbers, and it just helps us grow the channel and be able to do more and more for you guys. When more and more things come out, we can do them. We can show you guys how it's done. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, please do. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go, but I just want to thank you guys again, and we'll talk to you guys later.